Do you have a Nintendo DSi that you're using and then just randomly shuts off on you? Well, I had that problem, and this is what was wrong with mine. So I ended up buying this DSi from Whatnot because it was tested and working, and I got it for $35, which is a pretty good deal. But when I tried playing with it, I noticed it was turning off, so I ended up removing the battery cover to see what's going on back there. So I removed the battery, put it back on, and I tried turning it on. It didn't even want to turn on afterwards. I'm like, okay, what's happening? So I'm like, okay, it's got to be battery related. What I ended up figuring out is the battery was kind of losing contact with the pins. So what I ended up doing was I ended up just getting a little piece of paper from a sticky note I had, folded it, and just added a little bit of extra layer in between the battery and the cover, and that kept the battery in place. It kept the contact pins connected the entire time, and I haven't had issues since. So if your device is shutting off, maybe it's just your battery and it's just coming off a little bit loose from the pins. So test it out. Hopefully it works for you. It worked for me. And if you found this helpful, leave a like. I have another video about 3DS. Go check it out.